Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain you the process of food technology. Food technology is a branch of food science that deals with the production processes that make foods. Food technology is the application of food science to the selection, preservation, processing, packaging, distribution and use of safe food. Applications of food technology. There are total 17 applications of food technology. Talking about the first one is the space nutrition. One essential nutrient NASA scientists have been studying is iron. People often have implications of low iron such as anemia. The iron-rich foods include beef, spinach. But recent studies have shown the analysis of blood urine samples suggest the opposite issue may be the concern, not too little iron but the too much of iron. So, instead of boosting the health, the extra iron may actually be causing bone loss. The decreased bone density means the astronaut have been increased risk of bone fracture. Coming to the next one is refrigeration and controlled atmospheric storage. Refrigeration and freezing are techniques used for preserving food at low temperatures. These procedures slow down or stop the bacterial growth and thereby their division and multiplication, but do not kill them. The perishable foods like fruits, vegetables, if not stored at recommended temperature, they may rot in short period due to chemical reactions, bacterial attack, or loss of water. Coming to the next one is mechanical harvesting. Mechanical harvesting is the act of picking crops with a machine, more specifically a grape picker. The grape picker beats the vine with the rubber sticks to get it to drop the fruit onto a conveyor belt, which brings the fruit to a bin. The bin is then brought to the sorter to separate the rotten grapes from the ripe ones. But the disadvantage is that the unripe grapes are picked with the ripe ones. Coming to the next one is the cryogenic freezing. Cryogenic freezing is a new method of freezing. Here the food is exposed to temperature below minus 60 degrees C through the direct contact with the liquefied gases such as nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Due to liquid extremely low temperature, freezing is instant. There are two types of cryogenic freezing. One, using immersion or dipping of product into the medium. Two, medium is sprayed on the product. But the disadvantage is that dependence of refrigerant delivery, uneconomical for large-scale production. Coming to the next one is food irradiation. Food is exposed to controlled source of ionizing radiation to prolong shelf life, improve microbiological safety, reduce the use of chemical fumigants and additives. The benefits of food irradiation is disease-causing germs are reduced or eliminated, nutritional value of food is preserved, decrease the incidence of foodborne illness. Coming to the next one is genetically modified foods, also known as genetically engineered foods. These are foods produced from organisms that have had change introduced into their DNA using the method of genetic engineering. The benefit of genetically modified foods is nutritional value of food could be improved. Crop can be produced that lack known allergens. Crop can be grown in acid conditions for better yield. But the risk of genetically modified foods are new trait could cause adverse health reactions. Removal of trait could have unknown effects. Crop may limit biodiversity of local environment. Coming to the next one is organic foods. Organic food is the product of farming system which avoids the use of man-made fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators and livestock feed additives. The benefit is that it enhances the immune system, promotes animal welfare, tastes better than the non-organic food, prevents cancer and premature aging, reduces the presence of pesticides. Coming to the next one is the sports nutrition. Sports nutrition is the study and practice of nutrition and diet with regards to the improving anyone's athletic performance. Nutrition is an important part of any sports training regimen, being popular in strength sports and endurance sports. Coming to the next one is parenteral nutrition. Parenteral nutrition is the feeding of specialist nutritional products to a person intravenously by passing the usual process of eating and digestion. Intravenous administration of nutrition, which may include protein, carbohydrates, fat, minerals, electrolytes, and other trace elements for patients who cannot eat or absorb enough food through tube feeding formula. Coming to the next one is bariatric nutrition. The gastric bypass diet is designed to allow your stomach to heal without being stretched by food you eat. Get you used to eating the smaller amounts of food that your smaller stomach can comfortably and safely digest. Help you lose weight and avoid aging. Coming to the next one is critical care nutrition. Critical care nutrition is the provision of safe and optimal nutrition to patients admitted to the intensive care unit using the evidence-based practice. Early nutrition therapy may decrease disease severity, decrease complications, reduce length of stay in ICU, and decrease the mortality. Role of food technology in combating malnutrition. Food technology helps in producing food in healthy ways for optimum utilization by mankind. It makes it possible for food to be grown and judged at every point to make its use without any wastage, controlling destroying of food by natural calamities. Both qualitative and quantitative analysis of food is done for better increasing the expiry dates of food. Steps in combating malnutrition. Increase the food production, prevention of grain loss, prevention of perishable foods, improve milling processing technology, enrichment of roots tubers with oil seeds, novel protein. Thank you.